In this video, we are going to see how we can use the Adobe Firefly to change the outfit of any person. So we have this example where this person is wearing some weird t-shirt and I want to put this picture on a website or let's say as a model. And for that, I just want to change his outfit. So what I'll do is just write a simple command, and I have already created some variations. Let me just show you first, and then we will see how we can do this. So this is the original photo and we have changed this by just writing a simple prompt. Obviously it is still showing a trouser, so we can edit this part and it shows like this. You can see how perfect it looks and it's much better than the earlier one. This is also an option and we have this option. So we will cut down the bottom part and we can use this part only. So let's see how we can create all of these variations. Again, we will use the generative fill. This is the most useful tool. Just click on the image, click on generative fill, click on upload the image, and let's try this on this original picture. And I want to insert something. So we will click on insert and we want to add something. After that, just make sure you select all of the outfit, and it doesn't matter even if you select some more, but make sure all of that should be removed or highlighted. Otherwise it will take that one as a pattern and will create the outfit based on that. Let's write black t-shirt, click generate. And these are some of the options. Obviously this one is not perfect. We can change a couple of options. So click on more, and on every picture there is a spot. So what we can do is just click on keep, this one. Let's say we really like the picture, but we just want to remove this part. What we will do is we will click on remove and we can edit out this part. Just select it like this and click on remove, and it will remove all the extra problems within the t-shirt, and after that you can just keep it. Let's try something else. Let me just click on insert, or even let's go back, click on upload image. Let's upload the original photo and let's make him wear a suit. This time I'll make some more selection to see what is the effect of it. And we will notice something. You must zoom out to see if it is selected from the bottom as well, because that's where the problem lies in these photos, that although the outfit is perfect and it is matching as well, but since we didn't select it from the bottom, it didn't edit that part. So that's the problem. Just make sure that you select the complete part, and after that just write a simple command like black and white suit, hit enter, click cancel. We need to select this part as well. Let's click on generate and check this out, how perfect it looks. You can check out some more options or you can keep it, click on more, and these are a couple of options. So this picture right here is awesome. Click on download and you can use this picture anywhere you want. So see how simple it is to create this. And additionally, if you want to make any kind of customizations, like we can see this thing showing right here, click on keep, and after that just click on remove and you can remove this part. Click on reset. I'll just make the selection accurate and click on remove, and it will refine it for you. So you can see this. Click on download. Now you can see the magic of it. Let me just compare both of them. So this one was the before and this one is the after. You can see how perfectly it blends the overall picture and has successfully changed the outfit. And not only that, it has perfectly blended the background, all the remaining part it has recreated to match with the background. Now let's try this on something else. We have a couple of more images. By the way, guys, you will find all of these images with the resources section of this video for you to practice on. So this guy is wearing a very casual t-shirt, and we want to change this photo because he's our administrative manager and we want him to wear the suit and we want to place this picture on our website. So let's edit this, click on insert. Let's make the selection. It doesn't matter if you select some more part, no problem with that. And now we just define a stylish suit with a bow. Click on generate and here you go. We have a couple of options, or let's make it simple. White pant, black shirt. Hit enter. Now this one looks better. Obviously this one is too weird, but it's not white pant and black shirt. So let's make it trouser. And it looks like this, but let's continue with the suit. So just write black suit. So this looks perfect. This is much better. We can use any one of them. Just make sure it matches the physique according to the face. So I think this one is good. This one is also good. Let's use this one. Click on keep. And obviously we need to change the background since we want to use this on our website. And this background is kind of a village background. So let's click on insert and click on select the background. What this will do is it will completely remove the background, keeping the person photo intact. Let's just change it to something like corporate office floor with people working in the background. Let's see. No, the background is too weird. Let's click on more. Here the background is kind of good, but it doesn't suit with the picture. So click on more. Let's click on cancel and let's write something else. Just write office building. So here are a couple of options you can use, or otherwise just simply write office. And here we have a couple of more variations. This one looks good. Let's download this and also let's click on more. So we have a couple of more options, but let's just go with the earlier one. We have already downloaded this. And let's see the magic now. I have put both of these pictures side by side. And by the way, you will find both of these pictures with the resources section of this video. So this one was the before and this one is the after. This one is the before, this one is the after. So you can see not only it has completely transformed this picture, it has remade the hands and placed it in a certain way and also changed the outfit with the perfect physique. So you need a couple of try to change the perfect background, to change the perfect outfit, and this is the result. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.